If your iPhone calendar is not syncing with iCloud, not showing events, or updates are missing, here are some quick fixes you can try. First, open the Settings app and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Then go to iCloud. Now, make sure Calendar is turned on. If it's already enabled, toggle it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on again. This simple refresh often fixes syncing issues. Next, go back to Settings and tap on Calendar. Then select Accounts and make sure your iCloud account is properly signed in and active. Also check that Fetch New Data is enabled. Go to Settings/Calendar/Accounts/Fetch New Data and set it to automatically or push if available. Another important step is checking your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data because iCloud needs internet to sync your calendar events. Now, go back and restart your iPhone. A quick reboot can fix temporary iCloud sync bugs that stop calendar updates. If it still doesn't work, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID on all your devices, like your iPad or Mac, because different Apple IDs can break syncing. After doing all these steps, your iPhone calendar should start syncing properly again with Apple iCloud. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.